Hi, I'm Lauren Ohayon, the creator of Restore Your Core and the RYC Method. So if you've been wondering which RYC track is right for you, let me help simplify it for you. If you want structure, motivation, and a very clear path that helps you stay consistent, choose RYC Guided, hands down. Every day, your next workout is already waiting for you. You just log in, you press play, you get to move. There's no second guessing, no overwhelm, and just the right next step. Guided tracks your progress, it unlocks each phase in sequence, and it includes the supported path, which is a full parallel path with chair supported and scaled classes designed for all bodies and all levels. People who choose guided often tell me that it's the structure, it's the accountability, and it's the ease that finally help them follow through and feel lasting relief. It's the balance of guidance and flexibility that helps you stay consistent. And that's where the real change happens. Now, if you already love managing your own workouts, you've built consistency on your own, you can absolutely do that in the essentials, which is our self-directed track. And if you'd like a little bit more hands-on support, Guided Plus gives you everything in Guided plus 2 private sessions with a certified RYC coach, one to start and one to check in session along the way. You can always add more sessions if you want extra help, fine-tuning your progress and all of that. All 3 tracks include the proven RYC method, the same intelligent movement system that's helped tens of thousands of people resolve symptoms and rebuild long-term strength and function. Guided simply gives you the structure and the accountability that makes real, lasting change possible. If you're ready to stop starting over, to actually feel stronger, more capable, and more confident in your body, start the RYC 12-week program today.